The 48 Laws of Power, a book written by Robert Greene that offers a series of strategies for obtaining and maintaining power in various situations. Here I leave you a summary of the 48 laws. 1. Don't outshine the boss. Make your superiors feel superior. Don't expose your talent too much or you might trigger their insecurity. 2. Don't trust friends too much. Use your enemies. Friends betray you more easily, but if you manage to win an enemy, they will be more loyal. 3. Hide your intentions. Keep people off balance so they can't anticipate your actions. 4. Always say less than necessary. Silence breeds power, and talking too much reveals your plans. 5. Protect your reputation at all costs. Reputation is the cornerstone of power. 6. Call attention at all costs. Be visible to be relevant. 7. Make others work for you and attribute it. Take advantage of the work and effort of others to your advantage. 8. Make others come to you. Don't run after others, make them look for you. 9. Win with actions, never arguments. Prove your point through actions, not words. 10. Avoid losers and unhappy. The misfortune of others is contagious. Stay away from those who bring you down. 11. Make people depend on you. If others depend on you, you're in control. 12. Disarm with sincerity and selective generosity. Emotional disarmament will give you an edge. 13. When you ask for help, appeal to the interests of others. Appeal to what benefits others, not gratitude or compassion. 14. Introduce yourself as a friend. Act as a spy. Learn to extract valuable information from others without them noticing. 15. Crush your enemy. Completely do not let your enemy recover or he will seek revenge. 16. Use absence to increase respect. The value of something increases with scarcity. 17. Keep others in suspense. Be unpredictable. You will confuse others and gain power. 18. Do not isolate yourself. Loneliness weakens you. Engage yourself in the web of influence. 19. Know who you're dealing with. Choose your opponents and partners wisely. 20. Don't compromise with anyone. Maintain your independence so you don't get caught up in other people's affairs. 21. Pretend to be a fool to catch the slide. Let others think they have an advantage over you. 22nd. Use the surrender tactic. Sometimes giving in at the right time gives you the advantage. 23. Focus your forces. Keep your energy focused on what really matters. 24. Be a master at simulation and disguise. Don't reveal all your cards. 25. Recreate your own identity. Be the architect of your own destiny. 26. Keep your hands clean. Make sure the responsibility for the problems falls on others. 27. Play with people's needs to create devotion. Satisfy their deep desires to earn you their loyalty. 28. Be bold in acting. Timidity is dangerous. Boldness is powerful. 29. Plan everything to the end. Having a detailed plan allows you to avoid unpleasant surprises. 30. Make your accomplishments look easy. Minimize the effort you put in to make others think you have innate talent. 31. Control other people's options. Guide the decisions of others by giving them limited options. 32nd. Play with people's fantasy. Appeal to people's emotions and dreams to gain clout. 33rd. Discover the weaknesses of others. Identify what drives people to manipulate their actions. 34. Be rule in your behavior. Power lies in the appearance of greatness and dignity. 35. Master the art of timing. Don't rush. Everything has its right time. 36. Despise what you can't have. Don't obsess over things that are out of your reach. 37. Create engaging spectacles. Theatrics and spectacles capture attention. 38. Think as you wish. but behave like everyone else. Do not openly defy social norms. 39th, stir the waters to catch fish. Destabilize others to make mistakes. 40th, despise free. What is free usually comes with a hidden cost. 41, avoid imitating great men. Forge your own path instead of following in the footsteps of others. 42nd, beat the shepherd and the sheep will scatter. He demolishes leaders to weaken his followers. 43rd, work on the hearts and minds of others. Conquer the spirit of people to control them. 44, disarm and anger with mirror effect. Reflect the actions of others to destabilize them. 45, preach the need for change but never reform too much. Radical change can generate resistance. 46, never look too perfect. Perfection breeds envy and haters. 47, don't exceed your goal. When you achieve what you want, retire on time. 48th, be amorphous. Be adaptable. Don't limit yourself to a rigid form. These laws are designed to handle situations of power, but it's important to consider context and personal ethics when applying them.